Residents are lamenting the hike in the prices of firewood and charcoal following the ban on tree felling by the state government. According to them, a truck of firewood that was recently sold between 50 to 60,000 naira in the state has hit 80,000 naira. Salis Lawan reports.
Since the announcement of a ban on indiscriminate tree felling and banning for charcoal in the state, the business has been badly hit. As a result of the new development, not only the lives of the firewood loggers, charcoal producers and sellers are affected, but the end users as well.
The price of fuel, foodstuff and transport have all gone up, and now charcoal. Government, please have mercy on us, or we have done anything wrong.
Saboda kilomita 2-3 tsakanin da Allah wannan su suke illata jeji.
Both the loggers, the charcoal producers and the buyers are all low-income earners. Government should have provided an alternative before introducing the ban because masses are suffering.
Before the ban on felling trees for firewood and charcoal business, households depended on it due to its affordability. However, the case is no longer the same, as such affordability has vanished into thin air following a hike in the price of charcoal.
Actually, the business is no longer playing.
We don't cut down live trees even before the ban. However, our major worry is what the government wants us to do. Look at how difficult life is. We have our immediate families as well as relatives who depend on us to feed.
Seriously, our lives as Nigerians are faced with a lot of challenges. They said should not cut down live trees. But even at that, we are not safe. We face series of harassment from security agencies.
The state government said the ban was to avert deforestation that had been found to cause extensive flooding around the state. Meanwhile, stakeholders are calling on the government to subsidize cooking gas or provide an alternative before imposing the ban on the charcoal production, which was largely used by low-income earners. A trunk of firewood that was sold between 50 to 60,000 naira and a bag of charcoal, which was 2,500 naira before the ban, has now hit 80,000 naira per truck, while charcoal per bag is between 5,000 to 6,000 naira, depending on the location. Salis Lawan, Trust TV News, Yola.